All right, some students have asked questions on assignment VV, which is module 19.4. The two questions that were asked were question number 12 and question number 19. Let's take a look at question number 12. Find the value of x. All right, so to find the value of x, we need to understand what are the properties of segment relations when we've got an angle that's outside of our circle. That's called a circumscribed angle. This particular angle is made with two secants. And so we have the rules that show up for secant, secant. And in your flip book, you're going to have something like this. When we have two secants, we know this is going to be true. We know that let's see how we do this, AB times AB plus CB, so this segment here that's outside the circle times the whole segment must be equal to AD times AD plus ED. So the rules for two secants that make a circumscribed angle is going to be that this small segment times the whole segment is equal to this small segment times the whole segment. So let's plug all these in and make an equation. So AB is equal to x minus 2. AB plus CB, let's do that in our head. That's x plus 4 plus x minus 2. So x plus x is 2x. And 4 minus 2 is 2. There we go. And we know it's going to be equal to DA, or AD, which is 4. And then ED and AD, 5 plus 4 is 9. All right, let's work this out. This side's the easy side, 36. This side, let's go ahead and multiply binomial times binomial. I'm going to use FOIL for that. So actually, let's not use FOIL. Let's use distribution. We learned this in class. X times the second binomial minus 2 times the second binomial. So the first term times the second binomial. Second term times the second binomial. This is going to be 2x squared plus 2x minus 4x minus 4 equals 36. All right, let's simplify. We've got like terms in the middle. Got 2x squared minus 2x minus 4 equals 36. Let's simplify this. Let's divide everything by 2. So divide everything by 2. I've got x squared minus x minus 2 equals 18. And then I'm going to go ahead and solve this either by quadratic formula or by factoring. But before I do that, I got to move the 18 to the other side. I'm going to subtract 18 from both sides. We've got x squared minus x. Negative 2 minus 18 is negative 20 equals 0. And I already see, class, this is easily solvable by factoring. X squared minus x minus 20. My factors of 20 can be 5 and 4. So let's factor this. And I've got x and x. And I want a negative here, so I've got minus 5 and plus 4. So there's my factored form because I have a quadratic, and now I know that the solutions to this, possible solutions, are either x equals 5, because 5 minus 5 is 0, or x equals negative 4. So here's my two solutions. The question is, are they both valid or not? Let's take a look at the negative 4. If x is negative 4, then the length of CB is negative 4 plus 4, which is 0, and the length of AB, so that's CB, and the length of AB is negative 4 minus 2, which is negative 6. That's not possible. So that one we rule out. And that means x is equal to 5. So our solution is x must be equal to 5.